I have quite the collection of drills at the moment, and there's something I want to do. I want to install some belt hooks on them, because sometimes when I work on the house I just need them while working, and I will show you how to do it on a Black+Decker machine, which does not have a dedicated mounting place to install these belt hooks. I'm going to show you where and how to do it. To give all these machines a belt hook each, I'm actually going to use the tiniest, cutest little drill, and this drill has a tiny 6mm chuck and it's just adorable. So let's put it to the test. Oh, and I think I'm gonna start with this one, but first I need to clean this up. That's better, and while I'm taking this one apart, let me fast forward a bit. Okay, now it's been taken apart, but before doing too much, I'm gonna clean this, so let me skip that. I installed this 2.5mm drill bit, and I'm gonna drill through this screw socket and come out the other end. Just be careful not to take a bit that's too big, so you end up expanding the screw socket for the original screw so it won't fit anymore, because we're still gonna use that. Now we have this hole here. Hold up, need focus. Yeah, we have this hole here, and this is where we're gonna mount the hook. But I'm not gonna use the screws that came along with these hooks, because I want something coarser and longer, like the screws from the drill itself that kinda look like wood screws. But first, we need to put it back together again, and still using the tiny, cute screwdriver. And as usual, I tighten the last bit with a screwdriver. When mounting the belt hook, I simply use a screw that has as close to similar dimension as the original screw as possible, and then I just screw into the socket with no problem. So how does it fit? Well, it's not really in the way of the pH bit that I always keep on these machines, and I keep them here because they come along with the machine, and it's nice to have them when you come across these pH or even PC screws, or PZ, depending on where you come from. And you have them anyway, so might as well put them to use. But what about the battery? How does it fit? Well, loads of room. I would say that this is a success. Now I'll repeat this on the next 5 drills. The reason why I drill through here is because then the screw will have much more to hold on to compared to if we just drilled a randomly placed hole somewhere in the hull. And this way we also know that it won't hit any electronic components. I didn't want to waste your time showing how to disassemble and assemble 6 drills, so I skipped the rest, but here's how the drills look with a belt hook attached. Since installing these belt hooks, I've actually been using them a few times, and it's really nice, especially when standing on a ladder, so I don't have to go all the way down again just to grab or put down a drill. It's really nice. And I have an affiliate link down in the description if you want to order some yourself. They're really nice, and that way you can support me, since I'll get a tiny cut of the purchase you make. Well, good luck and thanks for watching. Bye.